Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Saf and this is a continuation of video lecture series on Rasa chatbot development using Google Colab. In this video, we will talk about Rasa custom action and implement it in Colab. Before that, I strongly recommend to watch my previous videos for better understanding and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. To understand a custom action in Rasa, let's create a query for knowing weather report of a particular area that user provide. For that, we use OpenWeatherMap as API call to fetch current weather report. OpenWeatherMap is a pretty good library to fetch live weather reports and well documented as well. It also available in free plans, so you can use it in your projects. This is initial Rasa chatbot that we created in previous videos. Here is the initial file where we make changes in it and override the current file. To create a query weather reports, we need to first create an intent report in NLU file. Create intent name report. Add some sample statement. Now here the important information that user provide is area. We need to extract that information from user input. In Rasa term, it is called entity extraction. For that, we have to specify area name as entity with a square bracket. We also have to specify its name in circular bracket just after it. Let's say area name, area, add some sample statement. Now add this intent to the intent section of domain file. We also have to add the entities that we created in previous intent. In the separate section, create another section, entities. Add the entities name there. Before start editing the action function, one thing we need here is important information that we extracted from user input. But we cannot use entity directly in action file as entity is only used to extract information from user input. We have to create a variable that hold all information and we also use it in action file. We called it slot in Rasa. Slots is like a bot memory. They act as a key value store which can be used to store information the user provide as well as the information gather about the outside world. Now create a slots in domain file. Create a section slots. add slots name area. We also have to specify the data type it hold. Type unfeaturized as it not influence the conversation. Well, we create a slots name same as entity's name as to avoid a separate mapping between entity and slots. You may also create slots with a different name, but you have to do a separate mapping between slots and entity by creating an action function in action.py file. Let's move to the action file and write our custom action. First, we have to create a key to use OpenWeatherMap API. Move to the OpenWeatherMap website. Click on sign in as I already have account. If you want to create an account, click on create account. Provide some details and you got confirmation email. Confirm it and you're good to go. This is your main interface. Click on API keys. Here you see a default key is already generated. Copy it. Move to the collab. First, import the OpenWeatherMap library. Declare key and put the key in string format. Change the class name to action report. Change the action function name to action weather. First, get the slot value of area. For that, type create an object of OpenWeatherMap and pass the key. Call weather manager. Create the observation for weather at user input area. Pass the area as input. Now create an object to get the weather details of input area. After that, create the message of weather report. First one, give area initialization. Type second, give the information about the temperature. Third is wind speed. Fourth is humidity. Fifth one is overall weather. Combine all message to one to return back to the user. Return the message. Our action weather is completed. Now add this action to the action section of domain file. After that, create a stories weather report. Our query is now completed. Let's overwrite the file one by one. First execute NLU file. Execute domain file. Then execute stories file. Finally execute action file. Let's train our chatbot as we trained earlier in Colab. Well, our training is now completed. First, install OpenWeatherMap package. Type previously we used chat method to use our chatbot in Colab. But here we are not able to start an action server to use the custom action. So for that we use command rasa run action ampersand rasa cell. So it first start the action server and then invoke the chatbot. Before that, we need to edit the endpoint file. Open it. Uncomment action endpoint. Save it. Now run the cell. Our chatbot is loaded and ready to use. Let's check the weather of Dubai. But here you see, instead of showing letters, it show dots. Actually, all Linux commands work well in Colab, but there is some limitation with that. In this command, when user input something, it treat input as security key or password types. That's why it hide it in the form of dots. And after pressing enter, it pass the input to the backend, and here it show blank line. Here you see the output. It give the details report of weather of Dubai. Now let's try with some other area. First, create a text section below. Type weather of Paris, copy it and paste it above. Here you see it give the weather report of Paris, and in place of input it show blank line. Now in the chat, I hope from this video you got better understanding of Rasa custom action in Colab. In next video we will talk about Rasa forms and implement it in Colab. And I hope everything is clear to you. But if in case you face any kind of difficulty in understanding any part of this topic, please leave a comment below and I will try to help you with that. That's all from my side for this videos. I hope you liked the video. So don't forget to like the video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel and press bell icon to never miss an update about our videos. Till then, happy learning.